Why do birds still exist while dinosaurs went extinct? Ever wondered why birds are thriving while dinosaurs perished? It's all about evolution. Dinosaurs, once ruling the Earth, couldn't survive a catastrophic event. While most dinosaurs were wiped out, a group adapted. These creatures, called theropods, evolved over millions of years. They developed features like beaks and feathers, becoming the earliest birds. This evolution granted them survival tools. Their small size meant less food, their wings offered escape from predators. Birds are actually living dinosaurs, a testament to the power of evolution. So, when you see a bird, remember, you're witnessing a dinosaur's legacy. Adaptation and evolution in action, that's why birds still exist.